Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. Today, we're going to be making something nice, something cool. I'm going to be making some steak and chicken hibachi. But first, you're going to need your yum yum sauce. I know you guys have times where you wanted to order some sushi or hibachi and you wanted extra of that yum yum sauce and they want to charge 50 cents to $1. So this is a much cheaper route to go. It's going to taste much better because it's fresh. And it's an easy recipe. Disclaimer, it's no shave November. I know y'all looking. I'm a little rough, but I'll be back. Let's go. All right, guys. There's a few ingredients you're going to need to make this yum yum sauce. It's very simple, like I said before, but here are the ingredients. You're going to need mayo, some water, garlic powder, paprika, tomato paste, cayenne pepper, melted butter, and sugar. All these measurements are going to be in the description below and or on the screen. All right, so here's some melted butter. You're going to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Here's a teaspoon. Also, guys, I'm just giving you guys measurements, but I don't really like to measure. I just do what I do. So yeah, we'll put that in there. All right, next up, a cup of mayo. Go ahead and scoop all this calories in here. Oh, almost broke that bowl. All right. Next up, garlic powder, half teaspoon. All right, a little bit of garlic powder, half teaspoon. Next up, a little bit of that there paprika for some color. I don't even know what paprika's for. Don't taste like nothing to me. But I'll just put it in there anyways. Next up, cayenne pepper. I like a nice little spice. Give it a little dash. Alrighty. Then, lastly, throw a little bit of that water. Then, you whisk. Oh, I'm gonna have to switch bowls. All right, guys, almost forgot. While I was switching the bowl, I forgot the sugar. So, like a teaspoon of sugar. Now you can whisk. Hold on, look at that. Baby, go ahead and zoom in a little bit. This looks like, smells like it. All right. Now, I tell everybody, man, don't just make something, listen to everybody's measurements, and not taste it. You gotta taste it. And of course, you know how yum yum sauce is supposed to taste. So, oh my God. Oh yeah, that thing's fire. Mix it up just a little bit more. Wow, this tastes just like the hibachi. Whoops, make a little mess. It's okay. Now the last step, you just put it in the fridge, let it thicken up, and we're done. All right, guys. So that is it. That's all it took just to make that yum yum sauce that they try to charge you $1 for. Oh, sorry, my wife being funny behind the camera. But anyways, hope you guys like that recipe. We're going to take 2. All right, guys, so there you have it. My yum yum sauce recipe. Quick and easy, much cheaper, fresh. It's gonna taste better. Don't let them charge you $1 for a little 2-ounce side. So next video, you'll see my teriyaki sauce. And then my last video, we're gonna jump right into that hibachi. Take care.